we will do there is, so this is coin market cap. Okay, this is where the we can see the performance of all the coins. Okay, so the thing is, what I right now I just showed you the channels, right? So these most of the people just talk about the top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so there are like thousands of coins. Okay, there are like thousands of coins, n number of coins are there. So what here we will do is, it's in the another channel. Okay, it's in the another channel. What we will do is we will dissect, like for example, these are like meme coins. Okay, meme coins in sense, these just increase in value for no reason. Okay, because of the hype. For example, like if you take Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin rises because if maybe like today it is like 6% up, right? So if Elon Musk tomorrow tweets like I'm going to use Dogecoin as the main payment for the Tesla vehicles, okay, if he tweets something, okay, for no reason, this coin will jump like 200-300%. Okay, you understand, right? 200-300%. And for example, if you are investing like 10,000 rupees in Dogecoin, okay, just multiply it into like 30 times. Just because of the tweet, its price will be going up. Okay, so what we will do is, like in that particular channel, we will concentrate on other coins which might be performing. Okay, I'm not going to talk about like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Okay, these are like meme coins. These have a large amount of search traffic. We can do content on this, but also we will do content on like other coins. You can see here, right? Like Solana, XRP, Luna, Dot, AVAX. Okay, so we have like other coins also. So what we will do is we will, there is always a reason for the price going up. Okay, so the thing is, these are like technologies. Okay, in stock market, we invest because we believe in the company. Okay, for example, people are investing in Tesla because Tesla is an electric vehicle. It is the number one electric vehicle which has been in the circulation right now. Still, many of the companies haven't launched the electric vehicle. Tesla is the number one player in that particular field. Okay, also the people, what they are doing is, they are seeing a major shift from petrol and diesel to electric vehicle. Okay, so they are thinking that Tesla will be the future. Okay, there will be no, the people's perception is that, okay, the people's perception is like petrol and diesel might go to zero someday in the world. So we must be reliant on the electric vehicles. So now today Tesla is the number one electrical car manufacturer. Okay, so this will be the number one electrical car manufacturer even in the future. So that is why people are investing on Tesla. That is why the Tesla's price is increasing. That is why the Elon Musk is number one richest person in the world. Okay, there is some fact. That is why the Tesla's price is increasing. You understand, right? So like that, these cryptocurrencies are based on technology. You understand, right? These cryptocurrencies are based on individual technologies. Okay, so their Tesla is going up because it is an electrical car manufacturer, and also they are believing the vision of Elon Musk and his way of thinking and his plans for future. Okay, but here each and every coin which you are seeing is having something, some massive technology which might come into adaptation in the future. Okay, that is why these coins are trusted and they are investing heavily here. Okay, for example, if you take Bitcoin, Bitcoin is doing nothing. They are just, we are using that money, right? Paper money. Okay, the paper money is going to be changed into digital money. Okay, for example, Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin's price is like soaring? Because Bitcoin's price, it's soaring because people are not trusting the bank. Okay, You understand, right? People
Okay.
are not trusting
Yeah,
the
yeah,
bank.
yeah.
Okay, in the future, I'm
That's
saying
why
today,
they're
yeah,
investing
today,
in Bitcoin.
yeah. Today, if we want to do any transaction, we have to do via bank, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The fundamental question is, why should the bank know if I'm giving Sarita 1 lakh rupee? If I'm sending you 1 lakh rupee, I can send it directly to you. Why should I send via the bank? Why should they know that? Okay. If
Okay.
I'm sending through the bank, they are charging certain price. Okay. I mean, like, it will be like very few pennies only, but still the thing is, why should they know?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
That is one fundamental question. Okay. Here, what happens is they are solving that problem. Okay. If I'm sending you a Bitcoin, everybody, I mean, like, not that particular individual organization. For example, if I'm sending just via HDFC, HDFC will know, like, this person is sending to this person this amount. Okay.
Yeah.
And they have the control over that. Okay. Like, you know that, right? Demonetization
Yeah,
happened, and like many
yeah,
things
yeah, yeah.
has like we couldn't even withdraw our money, our own money from the ATMs, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
those
yeah.
kind, yeah, those kind of situations will not happen here because this money is controlled by people, not the government. You understand, right?
Okay.
It is
Okay.
controlled by people, you and me, and all the people who is around the world, or the people who controls this. Okay, so that is why people are believing that Bitcoin is the next transactional coin. Not just Bitcoin. Okay, this it is how it started. Okay, I'm saying, right. This is how it started. But after Bitcoin has been introduced, many coins has been introduced based on individual specific reasons. Okay, for example,
Okay.
here Ethereum is there, right? So the Ethereum is like smart contracts. Okay, smart contracts in sense we are doing this contract in our paper, right? It is like
Yeah.
you can do whatever if you want to do to the paper. If you just tear it and throw, if you just burn it, it is just it will get disappeared, right? But here in Ethereum, it cannot be happened, and they are solving this Bitcoin solution also. Okay, in a much effective manner. Okay, for example, if you are sending a Bitcoin to one person, it will take 10 minutes to reach to that particular person. Okay, but if you do via Ethereum, it can be done in minutes. You understand, right?
Okay.
So they are much
Yeah, yeah.
faster and more self-reliant. Okay, so that is why this its pricing is much higher, and this one Ethereum has like multiple problem solving skill. Okay, so that is
Okay.
why they are market leaders. This is number one, this is number two. So now Ethereum also has some problems. Okay, so for example, I just told, right, if you want to do some transaction, it will take some minutes. Okay, so
Yeah.
here comes the Solana. Okay, this coin, right? Solana, what it does is even solves that problem. Okay, for example, if I want to send you some money, if I'm sending you 1 lakh, they will charge like 2000 rupees. Okay,
Okay.
they will charge 2000 rupees because it has to take some time. Because I told, right, each and every transaction is controlled by people around the world. So the thing is, they have to do something to, if for example, if I have a friend, he is the authorizer to make the transaction. It means he has to mine. Okay, that is what called mining. Okay, if
Okay.
he
Okay.
does that, only the transaction will be getting through. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
that is why that mining transaction fees is higher. For example, if I want to send you 1 lakh, okay, and other person is want to send another person like 10 lakhs. Okay, so what happens here is so that is why the person who is mining, right, if he does 10 lakh rupee mining, he will get more money. Understand, right?
Okay.
Mining.
Yeah, yeah.
uh, so
Got it.
if you are doing like 10 lakh, he will earn like 2 lakhs for doing that mining. So he will be
Okay.
preferring over that. Okay. So here what happens is, for that mining, automatically the competition occurs. Okay, I just want to send you 1 lakh, but if it is very immediate and urgent, I'm willing to even pay you more than 2000. You understand, right? So the
Okay.
thing is,
Okay.
you can only do certain number of transactions. So these are the problems with Ethereum. Okay, so here comes Solana, which solves that particular problem. Okay, in Ethereum, you can only for this is just like approximate numbers. There are like actual numbers which you will itself know if you started analyzing like what are these. Okay, for example, here Ethereum takes 1 minute, right? So the Solana takes just few seconds.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Even
So
faster than Ethereum.
even faster, and
Yeah.
there is no gas fees here.
Okay.
So this is a major problem that has been solved by Solana, right? So that is why its pricing also going higher. So like that, every coin has its own purpose and problem solving ability. So that is why people are believing this. Okay. So each and every coin has a story, and it has its own technical reasons to go higher. You understand, right? So
Yeah.
like for the I just gave you a very small brief. Okay. So when you start like consuming content revolving around this, you will itself know. Okay. So yeah, so the thing is, the other channel which I told, right, the things which I told you right now, those type of content will be created. Okay, like why Ethereum is performing like this, why Solana is performing like this, why Shiba Inu is performing like this, why what happened.
Yeah.
Okay, that is kind of one more channel. Okay, so have you heard about NFTs? Have you come across that
NFTs.
particular word? You would have come
Yeah.
across that particular word recently. Okay, so NFT is nothing but non-fungible tokens. That is like, for example, if you see, if you there is art, right? For example, you can see the Mona Lisa art, right? So it is owned by somebody, but still its particular images circulating all around the world, right? So whoever has that particular image, they are not the owners. Actually, who pays the money and has that particular image, he is the owner. You understand, right?
Okay.
Likewise, in this internet world, everything that has been in the art form, like for example, if you go to Instagram, there are like many artwork we are seeing, right? So let me just show you. So if you see here, so these are some artworks.
Okay.
This is an art. Okay, somebody has drawn it or somebody has created it. Okay, even it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything, whatever.
Okay.
So these are like people are paying to get this particular images. Okay, it can be like
Okay.
absurd, stupid to hear that, but still the thing is, you can see here. This is, I won't say like this is like a very beautiful art. Okay, but
Yeah.
it's like subjective. You understand, right? It's like subjective. It depends on each and individual person. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is why it has a price. So you can see here this particular image, it cost like 0.7 Ethereum. If you just calculate 0.7 Ethereum, 0.74 into $3,000 right now. If you see, its price is like 2,220. Okay, it's like
Dollars.
$2,220.
Oh.
No, yeah, it's $2,220. If you convert into INR, it's like 1,66,500. This particular image
66,500. Oh.
cost like this particular image cost like 1,66,000. You understand it? Like, so this is
Yeah.
one area where the most people are actually pivoting. Okay, this is like future of art. So that is why we have like this particular thing. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are planning to. We already started the channel, but the thing is, I'm just telling you this type of content we will be working on that. Like what to buy. Okay, why this particular art is valuing this much? Who created that?
Oh.
Okay, there is always a reason,
Okay.
right? Nobody, its price is not going up because it's like what to say. The price is rising because there is always some reason.
Yeah.
Okay,
Particular reason behind that art.
yeah, the particular reason behind
Particular
that.
story. behind
Yeah.
some art.
Yeah, if you take this particular thing, right, the sandbox game. So this is a game which is coming, which is going to be launched. Okay, you can go here. These people are selling lands inside the game. Okay, you
Okay.
might have saw some game. Okay, maybe it has a form field. For example, have you played this? What are the games you have played? For example,
I
I'll just give you an example. Maybe like Candy Crush. Okay,
yeah,
just
yeah.
imagine Candy Crush is selling their land inside. Okay, for example, that particular games you can see, right. One level it is going up, and you can see some green areas. Okay, people are selling that particular kind of area which is in the game. Okay, in future, how it will become is people can advertise there. Okay, if I'm buying a land in the Candy Crush, I can advertise my particular brand. Okay, in that particular game. Okay, I can own
On
that
that.
land, and yeah, it will have a price. Okay, the
Okay.
future is pivoting towards like that. So this particular game is something similar to that. So people are buying the lands which is inside that particular game, and also buying this particular characters. Okay. For example, just imagine this is a character playing in the game and they are auctioned. Okay. This is like,
Oh,
it might be sounding like very absurd right now, but the thing is, future is pivoting towards this. And we are just educating people like how to pick the right ones and why its pricing is going up. And we are giving the actual
yeah.
reasons.
Which
Okay.
one should they choose?
Yeah. What you can buy, like why its price is going up. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
this particular website is based on Ethereum. Okay, people buy the artwork based on Ethereum's price. Okay, the price will be fluctuating. There are I just told you like Solana, right? So Solana also has its own platform, and the people will buy based on Sol. Okay, so Solana's price,
Yeah.
the art will be priced. Okay, this is the website. So you can also see here.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah. So there are like many websites like this. So we will pick some arts and why it can be going up. That is what we are going to talk. So okay. So the thing is, once you started learning about these all things I just told, so we can create content around that. So I just told you, right? So if you understand these, you will know like in what way you can be helpful for us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
So it will be like,
can.
yeah,
I have to first gain some knowledge on these topics. Then, if I can, if I can find out the reason behind these things, I can create content on that.
yeah. So these things will be like we usually like collaborate and work. Okay, like if I will just tell you like I'm just seeing this, seeing this, seeing this. Okay, you will be researching like what is going to be launched. Okay, the thing is we have to be on toes here. We have to be very fast. We have to be very fast in finding the right ones. Okay, that is when the things will work in the content. Okay, the thing is each month there will be some release, right? For example, even if you see the movies, we will know like the schedule, what movies are going to be released in the February, what is going to be released in the March, right? So like
Yeah,
that, there is always something has a schedule. Okay, we have to be properly like be ready.
updated.
For example, if yeah we have to be updated. We can create content for March. For example, what are the things are which are made ready to be launched in the March. You understand, right? So that type of content
Yeah,
works here. So, and we will give the reason like why it is going to be the successful project, and you should invest it or not, like that. Okay. So if you take Solana, it has some every project. I'm just telling you, right? Everything has its proper structure to create the content. Okay. If you are seeing the, if you are buying, if you are going to buy this particular one, okay, you can see this is the Meta Village. It's a game. Okay, they are selling this particular land piece which is in the game for two soul. Two soul in sense. it's like 25,000 maybe. Yeah, it's costing like 25,000 rupees right now. Okay. So the thing is, what we will tell to the audiences will be different. Okay, what we will do is, can you invest in this particular project? That is what we are going to say. But how we will decide, because it will be based on different set of parameters. Okay, we will just find who is behind this particular project. Okay, how much social following they have. Do they have Discord? Do they have Twitter? Like that, there are some elements to cross check, like these people are genuine or not. Okay, there are like very
Yeah.
scam, so much scams going here. What we will do is, we just go and do the background check of these people. Okay, like how much people are active in their Discord group, how much people are active in their Twitter. If you can see this Meta Village, they have a Twitter page. Okay, I'm just opening it. So you can see here, these people have like 47,000 followers. So we have to see like how much active they are. Okay, having
Okay.
followers is having followers in this particular ages, it's very easy because we can just drive the traffic. We can just increase the followers based on bots. Okay, it can
Okay.
be manipulated. That is what I'm saying. But the thing is, we as a person who are in this field, we will know like, is it genuine followers? It is very easy to find that, because if they are having like 47,000 followers, their page should be very active. They should be having like more likes in their post. They should
Yeah,
be like
yeah,
replying to the comments. Okay, that is the way to find they are genuine or not. Okay, if they are
yeah.
not genuine, we will be skipping that project and warning the people like, you shouldn't be investing in this project. Okay, that is what the context of doing this. You understand, right?
Okay.
So these are some primary elements which we will be looking forward.
Okay.
So yeah. So if the thing is, you just spend some time in these, okay, cryptocurrencies and the NFT projects. So our content for next 1 year will be revolving around this. So the more knowledge you have, the more helpful you will be. Okay,
Okay.
so you can be part in all other in any projects which we are working. So it will be helpful for us also.
Okay.
So yeah, that is what I want to share with you right now. Okay. So the thing is, the whatever the channels which I told, it will have its own structure and plan for how to execute. Okay. So we are in the preliminary stage right now. We are just preparing for that. Once they are
Oh,
ready, so that is what I told you that day. So things are getting ready. So just give me some time. I'll just get back. I told you, right? So
yeah,
that is why I
yeah,
told that. So yeah, we are working on that. So meanwhile, you just grab some knowledge on these things. Okay. So like what's happening? What are these? It is like new. Everything I told, it will be like very new for you, right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
You might
It's
have been
very
wondering
new.
like, what's happening here? An image is costing like 1,65,000. I'm just telling you like 1,65,000. Okay, let me just show you one
Y-
more. Okay, let me just show you one more.